find that button. Here we go. This bridge is like, it's like a death trap. It's okay, I can still get the shotgun. There's a little trick I learned. There we go. Shit! That was retarded. Okay, here we go. On the NES controller on the Mac. But don't get the laser. The laser is gay. I'm doing the laser in the butthole compared to the shotgun. Everything's like a tad slower up on the arcade sticks. We're gonna make a challenge up in here. A little challenging. Let me in. That's how buildings work in the 80s. This one I gotta like camp a little bit just to get the red guy. That's the rapid. The rapid is like steroids for your shotgun. Oh, the shocker. Leave a comment if you know what a shocker is. Here we go. There we go. Now it's like gangbusters up in here. This one you can just lay down on the floor if you want, but I prefer to get a little shock. Just don't even think about that little ninja move. Oh no, 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 no! Ah! F is like flamboyancy. It's supposed to be fire, but it's nothing like